Hello, welcome to Wanted Talks. In this video, I will share some top tricks which will definitely help you to list your video under YouTube Shorts section. This is new section. This product is in beta. So I will share those tricks which worked with me, which is recommended by Google. So the first one is to include these hashtags in your title and don't leave the description blank. Now the main one is YouTube Shorts have a generic audience base where anyone can view your videos apart from your subscribers. So if you are uploading the video keeping in mind that your subscribers will like it, so this section will also welcome your video, so it won't happen because this is generic audience. If you will publish a kind of video how to fix your car engine and or how to bind a motor at home or how to write code, so this kind of content will not stay here because as I said, the audience base is generic. So think what normal people will like, decide the content according to that. Keep it engaging enough, keep it entertaining enough, so these things will survive. Otherwise, if you will rank in the beginning, so after some times when people will not interact more on it, your video will go down. The third one is to record the video directly from your app. So this also gives YouTube a good signal because you don't have to worry about the aspect ratio and the dimensions of YouTube Shorts video or the quality of the video. So everyone is optimized from the app. And if not, then you may choose this aspect ratio, which is ranking higher. When I tried the full height video and the normal video, so 2:3 was the perfect aspect ratio which ranked faster. Don't get disheartened if your video do not rank in a few days, because it can rank anytime. It happened to me when I uploaded the video. It did not get any view in 2 days. After 2 days, suddenly it got the hundreds of views, and it is keep on getting the views, and the main source is YouTube Shorts. So the bitter part is that content need to be entertaining, and if you will see, the rubbish content is ranking higher, and the people are even not caring about the copyright. They are just flipping the video, or they are cropping the video, they are including they are blurring the video from some part, and they are getting the million of views, which because it is in beta, so now these things can work, but definitely YouTube will restrict these things, and then your video will rank higher. This is the right time to take a chance on YouTube Shorts because the possibility of getting million of views is very high here. So the last thing, if you find this informative enough, so please like, subscribe and share my video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.